Hey everyone, we are back with another GRE sample question. Before we go to the question, please don't forget to like this video and comment if you want, and if you subscribe the channel, it will be extra motivation for me. Thank you. Okay, the question is if 2x over 3 minus 3 to the power, the whole term to the power of 3 is 0, then x is well, the question looks a little scary because it's to the power of 3. It's usually hard to memorize those numbers to the power of 3 or third root. They are not easy to memorize, but it's scary, but by its appearance. But if you know the trick, the very simple trick, it's gonna be a very simple and easy to solve question. The simple trick to remember is any term to any power is equal to 0 only if the term itself is 0. So x to the power of n is 0 only if x is 0. And n, the only condition is n shouldn't be equal to 0. And this question, this condition has been satisfied because n is equal to 3. And also remember 0 to the power of 0 is undefined in math. In this question we don't need that, but just remember. So once again, x to the power of n is 0 only if x is equal to 0. So let's go back to the question. The term is 2x over 3 minus 3 to the power of 3. So if this is equal to 0, we can delete this 3 and the term is equal to 0. Here for equations, we know that we can do whatever we want as far as it applies to the both sides of the equation. So if we have this equation, we can add 3, we can add plus 3 to both sides, then we will have this, and then we can multiply both sides by 3, and then we'll have this. 2 multiplied by x is equal to 9, so we divide both sides to 2 and we'll have x is equal to 9 over 2. And yeah, that's it. It was one of the most simplest questions that you can face in GRE exam, and it's better to always remember the tricks, the simple tricks to answer this question, because they're really effective on your final score. And going back to the question, the final answer is the last choice. And yeah, it was a very can say very simple trick to remember, and I wish it was I wish you liked it. So please subscribe my channel, and that would be a great motivation for me to answer to more questions like this. Thank you so much.